But first, we want to turn our attention to New Hampshire, where a new trial will start next week.
Yeah, we want to get you updated on this one as a preview, the Amber Alert murder trial of Dustin Duren. First, let's listen to a background on this case. Ashley Wilcott has more.
38-year-old Dustin Duren is charged with murder in the death of 31-year-old Caitlyn Naffziger, the mother of his children. Prosecutors say that on February 29th of 2024, Duren shot Naffziger and took their two young daughters. Naffziger's body was found in an apartment, and an Amber Alert was issued for the two children. Someone recognized Duren's car described in the Amber Alert and called 911. WMUR spoke to the Good Samaritans.
I was like, oh, white Subaru. I'm like, oh, vet plates. And I was like, Mom, that's the guy.
I did videotape him being put in cuffs, and there you can slightly see them taking the children out of the car.
Duren was pulled over and arrested. The children were in his car and were not harmed. Before his arrest, Duren had a YouTube page that is still up. He described himself as a gamer and a veteran, and posted videos playing the guitar. Duren claims he shot Naffziger in self-defense to protect their children. He says she was about to kidnap them. Naffziger died of a single gunshot wound to the head, and her family describes her as a loving mother whose spirit lives on in her two girls.
Let's bring in Court TV crime and justice correspondent Matt Johnson, who's here with us. What can you tell us about the arrest of this suspect, Matt?
Yeah, Ted, Julia, good afternoon. This case is one that rocked New England and made headlines across the country. Investigators discovered the body of Caitlyn Naffziger on February 29th, and by the next morning, police had issued an Amber Alert for Dustin Duren and his two daughters. They were just 1 and 4 at the time. The Amber Alert was all over the local news, highway signs, as you can imagine, and that's when some everyday citizens stepped up and spotted his car outside of a restaurant 160 miles south of the crime scene. They called police. WMUR TV interviewed them. Take a listen to this.
We just turned around and I told her to call 911.
I told the 911 operator, I said, I think he sees us. And it was a little scary at that time. You know, we did it as mothers, you know, as a parent and a grandmother and stuff. You know, that's what Amber Alerts are for, you know, to help. And we did it for the children.
Now, for your knowledge, alleged parent abductions don't always meet the requirements for an Amber Alert, but police believe that these children were in grave danger at that time after their mother was found executed in her home. Ted, Julia?
Yeah, tell us more, if you would, about the victim.
Yeah, we love to focus on the victim in these cases. 31-year-old Caitlyn was a twin and originally from Minnesota. She loved being a mother, according to her family, who also posted this online, a tribute to her. Caitlyn was small but mighty, quiet but fierce, and as brave as they come. She had many nicknames, Chai and Goose, to name a couple. Her loved ones would like her to be remembered by her spirit. The spirit of Chai is a whimsical wanderer, along for the ride, up for the adventure, and multi-talented powerhouse. The spirit of Chai and joy lives on in her two beautiful girls. On Monday, this murder trial is set to begin for her husband, Dustin Duren. That's expected to start with those opening statements. Now, he faces life in prison without the possibility of parole if he's convicted.
Yeah, and again, he's claiming that this was self-defense, that he had to shoot her because he was fearful.
That is his defense, his right to defense.
It's going to be a good trial. Thanks, Matt.